Hello everyone! I'm so happy na masaya po ako ngayon kasi I received one-day pay four-figure 1, 2, 3, 4 check from my global online digital business. So, kung ikaw po ay naghahanap ng mapapagkakitaan sa loob lang ng iyong tahanan at gusto mong kumita ng extra na pambayad sa bills or pang grocery, then you better check our business. So this business po, hindi po tayo magbebenta, hindi tayo magre-recruit, hindi tayo mag-shipping, hindi tayo mag-inventory. Kahit hindi ka mahusay sa computer ay pwede, kahit wala kang experience sa business ay pwede. Ito po ay para sa mga regular people like me. I am a regular licensed practical nurse po. I work in a long-term care as a part-time now. Since I joined with this business, before po I'm working 2 to 3 facility, but now just 1 facility and part-time. And I'm earning with this business. Now I have more time for myself. I have more time with my kids. And every time we go out, they always want to go eat. So because of this business, it's helped me to do that. So ang first step nyo lang pong gagawin ay manood lang ng ating libreng webinar. It is 90 minutes workshop. You just need to enter your name po dito sa website ko, www.bernamaniquez.com. Enter your name, your email address, check the small box there, and click register now. And yes, you can add me on Facebook too. Berna Garcia Maniquez for better communication po. And like I said, if you have question, comment in the comment area. And I will try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And like I said, if you click more info in my auto answer, I will try to communicate with you too po there. So check her out. You never know, it is legit business po, okay? We file tax every year. And also, proven system, thousands of people in our global community are successful. Yung iba po, nakabay na po ng bahay nila, nakabili ng more property, nag-enjoy, nagsisave sa mga kids nila. Lahat po ng yan, we can retire early. Naka-retired na po sila. So, that is possible po in our business because we have a high commission, lucrative compensation plan. That's why po. So, check nyo po, okay? Basta po kayo ay coachable, willing na matutunan ang business natin, at meron kayong dreams na makapag-retiro ng maaga, magkaroon ng maraming oras sa pamilya nyo, makatulong sa pamilya nyo back home. This business can help us to do that po. So, see it for yourself and see you inside. Watch our free webinar po. You just need to enter your name and email address to my website, www.bernamaniquez.com, and add me on Facebook and send me a message, and more blessings to come this year, 2026 po. Thank you so much for watching. So, see you inside. God bless us all.